Hey everyone, my name is Lisa Cowan and I'm from Forney, Texas. And today I'd like to welcome you to our TS Cooking 101 class. And today I'm going to be making the grilled salmon with jicama carrot salad. So let's get started. Alright, so this recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, one tablespoon of our spinach and herb seasoning. Okay, and if you're a veteran with our Tastefully simple seasonings, you know that our caps are exactly 2 tablespoons. So I'm only going to use a half a cap. So that is a good tip if you are new to our, if you're new to cooking with Tastefully Simple. It is a great trick because you never have to pull out a measuring spoon. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon of our garlic. Did y'all know that there is 33 cloves of fresh garlic in our garlic seasoning? So, and did you also know that 1 teaspoon, let me tell you what this says. I wrote down some notes, so let's see. Yeah, so 1 teaspoon of garlic equals 1 medium clove of garlic. That's a lot of garlic, right? So keep the mosquitoes away if you're in a mosquito area. We have them all the time here in Texas. Especially in the summertime. In spring, they are already out here. All right, and then 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I love Dijon mustard. And then 2 tablespoons of water. So, all right, we're going to mix this all together. Let me tell you a little bit about while I'm mixing. Let me give you some information about the health benefits of salmon. So, did you know that salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids? Okay. It's also a great source of protein. So, if you are, if you're on a high protein diet, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush this on my salmon. Now, y'all, my salmon is still a little frozen because I'm gonna go ahead and I have it laid out on press and seal saran wrap, but it's a little frozen because I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and we're going to eat it tomorrow night because tonight is a busy night for us. My son has pitching lessons and baseball practice all at the same, back to back. So we're going to do this. So we'll have this tomorrow night, but it will be completely thawed once I pull it out for tomorrow night. All right, y'all, this smells so good. I love lemon juice that smells so good, and especially mixed with our spinach and herb and the garlic. Wonderful. And look at all the, the flakes in it and stuff. Also, I want to tell y'all a little bit about our garlic, or most of our seasonings. So our seasonings are chopped and not crushed, not ground, because we want to make sure that you get the fullest flavor that you possibly can with our seasonings. Also, all of the seasonings that I'm using is part of our TS Eat Well line, which means there's no artificial anything in any of our seasonings. But anything that has a TS Eat Well label on it means there's no artificial anything. So that's really good, right? Especially us health conscious people that like to watch what they eat. All right, a little bit more right here. Okay, and then so when you're cooking salmon, let me just tell you, you want to cook with the skin side down first because that gives it a kind of a heat barrier between the heat of a grill or the heat of the oven, however you want to cook it. So you always want to cook with your skin side down first and then flip. The salmon that I'm using right here is skinless. And our recipe that we're making, it also says to remove the skin. So, all right, so what I'm going to do right now, this doesn't say to do like this, but like I said, I want to go ahead and wrap it because my salmon is still a little frozen, which is okay because, you know, it's going to thaw out in the refrigerator. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap it that way. All the seasonings, all that delicious, fresh flavors is all going to be sealed into my salmon once it starts thawing out. So, let me wipe the counter off right here. Spilled some oil. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to, so that's the first step. And then we're going to place the salmon in a gallon-sized freezer bag and seal well. And it says to refrigerate for 2 hours or overnight. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to refrigerate overnight, and it will be thawed out when I get ready to cook it. And you know, and another thing is, if you are, sometimes when we do, I'm going to flip this around so it's long ways. Sometimes when we grill our salmon, if it's skinless, we put it in full packs and then grill it like that. That way, we want to make sure that it doesn't, the flesh does not stick to the grill, and you can still get a good, you know, a good flavor. All the flavors is packed into that foil pack. So definitely if you want to make sure that you have a more robust flavor, you can definitely put it in a full pack. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to make sure that I have all the air out of the bag. Okay. And it's going to go in my refrigerator. Simple as that. There you go. I've labeled it, even though that, like I said, we're going to cook it tomorrow night. But label it, pop it in your freezer until you are ready to cook it. And then what it goes with, it's going to go with a jicama and carrot salad. So let me tell you, my store was out of jicama. And so if you, does anybody know what a jicama is? So a jicama is a root vegetable. It kind of looks like a little potato. So I went and Googled, you know, what could I substitute a jicama for? And I absolutely love jicama. But you can substitute a green apple for it. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'll just chop up a green apple and julienne it really thin to go on my salad. Also, you can use a Japanese pear. I'm not big on pears, but that's something you can use. If you want just kind of like the crunch of like a jicama, then you can use celery also. But I want that little bit of sweetness, so that's why I'm going to use a green apple. So a sweet and kind of tart apple. But tomorrow we will come back and I will make up the salad. So what the salad entails is a bag of Power Slaw. Or it calls for, yeah, Power Blend Superfood Slaw Mix. So if no one knows what that is, it is a mixture of cabbage, broccoli, kale, shredded Brussels sprouts. Let's do the salad dressing, okay? So 2 tablespoons of not olive oil, avocado oil. Okay. 1, 2. All right. That finished my bottle off right there. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you know, on any of our recipes, you can always sub. Say if you don't like salmon, you can use chicken, you can use pork chops, you know, whatever protein that your family likes, you know, you can use. A lot of people don't like seafood. So, but I will tell you that salmon is the mildest flavor fish that you can get. And then, let's see, 2 tablespoons, and then a tablespoon of our spinach and herb. Yep, tablespoon. So again, 1/2 cup. Okay, and then this time, instead of the garlic, we're going to use onion. Look, brand new bottle. Hadn't even opened it yet. Make sure that you pop off the inside seal as well. And 1 tablespoon of onion. And like I said, remember our seasonings are chopped. They're not ground. They're not crushed because can you see? We want to make sure that you get the most robust flavor that you can possibly get. And did you know about our onion? See, I'm going to give you another little tidbit tip. 1 tablespoon of onion equals 6 tablespoons of fresh onion. Y'all, you never have to cry with our seasonings, right? That's perfect. No one likes to cry when they're cooking. Maybe we like to cry when we're watching, a love story or something, but not when we're cooking. So make sure you order this. It came in your grilling kit. So it's perfect. Okay, and then the remaining 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I'm going to do it this way since I did it the other way earlier. But so 1. All right, there's 1 and then 1/2. I usually don't measure. I usually just guess everything, but I thought, well, since I'm showing y'all how to cook, a lot of times, people don't. A lot of times, people do like to measure. They're unsure in the kitchen. I'm kind of an old pro. I love to cook. All right, so that is that. Stir the combine, and we're going to pour this over. See how it looks like? Doesn't it look pretty? We're going to pour this over a salad tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a little mason jar so I can pour it over the salad as my salad dressing. So y'all, that is it. I want to thank you for hopping into my kitchen with me and cooking. So the whole recipe will be in the comments below, or actually it will be in the post, and then the cooking directions will be in the comments. So I hope you've enjoyed your time with us cooking, and make sure you come back and cook some more with us. So y'all have a great day. Enjoy your grilling kit, and post your pictures. Make sure and show us what you're cooking with. Show us your grilled salmon and jicama salad, or show us the rest of your recipes that you're cooking with us. So anyway, y'all make it a great day, and we will see you next month.